How's it going, buddy?
Not bad.
Hey, 2 more days till Christmas, baby.
And you know what?
What?
Guess what time it is?
Oh,
It's 5 o'clock.
Oh, look. Hey, guys. I'm teasing.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means?
It's time to drink.
So, let's get to it.
Ah!
Woman, it's not even Halloween.
Your hair's not even black.
Get out of here.
You're done.
How'd you do that?
Santa?
Santa? Alrighty, guys, guess what time it is? Well, I'm not going to tell you what time it is because it's 5 o'clock, obviously. But listen, all I want to say to you is Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays.
That's right. Mm-hmm. Hey, Vince.
Yeah.
What do you think of when you think of Christmas?
You know, I think about gifts. I think about family, friends. You know,
Christmas tree, snow.
everyone getting together, having a good time.
But most importantly, drinks.
You're right.
Vince, what are we making today?
So the first drink we're going to be making is the Scary Grinch.
And the second, the Wintertini.
After that, we're going to be making the Cranberry Mimosa.
Ooh, Cranberry Mimosa.
Cranberry Mimosa.
Interesting.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, the Grinch's Eggnog.
Oh, that sounds fascinating.
It sounds very interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's going to turn out.
Shall we
but
find out?
hopefully, very Grinchy.
Nice.
Guys, let's get to it.
Now, for the Scary Grinch, we'll need a couple of ingredients. They're vodka, pineapple juice, melon liqueur, and ginger ale. Let's get to it. Now, first step, grab our shaker filled with ice, 1.5 ounces of vodka, excellent. Take our pineapple juice, 1 ounce of this. Last but not least, 2.5 ounces of melon liqueur.
I like that transition.
Take our shaker, pop it in, and shake it. Now, pop open our shaker, put this off to the side, grab our glass. Now, for this glass, we added some green sprinkles to the sides to make it look nice. Take our drink, and pour it in. Excellent. Last but not least, to top it off, we're gonna put some ginger ale. And guys, that's a Scary Grinch.
Now for our Wintertini. It's very, very simple. All you need is some white chocolates, some eggnog, and vodka. That's simple. Let's get to it. So for this, we're going to need a martini glass. And we're going to take our white chocolate, melt it down, and coat the insides. Move that to the side. It's very simple. We're going to take 1.5 ounces of vodka in our shaker. And we're going to put about 3 ounces of eggnog. Guys, this is very simple. Put about 3 ounces. Like so. And we're just going to dry shake. So what dry shake means is shake it with no ice. Once you have that shaken, you're going to take your glass, pop that open, put it in a strainer, and strain it into your martini glass. And finally, you're going to garnish with some crushed peppermints. Right here. Like so. And guys, that is the most simplest Wintertini.
Now, the third drink we'll be making is a Cranberry Mimosa. It's a simple drink to make. It only requires a few ingredients, which are cranberries, cranberry juice, and champagne. Add a little bubbly stuff through there. Let's get started. Now, for this, we're going to take our flute, put it in front of us like so, grab a couple cranberries, and drop that in there. Excellent. Let's grab some cranberry juice, pour in about an ounce into our flute. Perfect. Now, let's grab our bubbly, our champagne, and finally we're going to top it off with the champagne. Now guys, that's a cranberry mimosa.
Alrighty guys, now time for the final drink, the Grinch's Eggnog. So simple, seriously, I can do it in my sleep. All you need, vodka, melon liqueur, and guess what? Eggnog, as the name says. Let me show you how you make it. So, like I said earlier, super easy drink to make. First, you're going to take your shaker. We're going to dry shake. Like I said, dry shaking is without ice. You're going to take that. You're going to take about 1.5 ounces of vodka. Perfect. You're going to take 3 ounces of eggnog. Super easy to find. You can just go to any store, like Walmart, Jewel, or any convenience store, and you can find it. 3 ounces of that bad boy. And finally, you're going to take some melon liqueur and put about 2 ounces. Perfect. And pop that top on. Give it a quick shake. Perfect. You're gonna pull out a glass, put some ice, and just pour that right in there. And finally, I'm gonna top it off with some whipped cream. And finally, you're gonna top it off with some whipped cream. And some green sprinkles. And guys, there you have it, the Grinch's Eggnog. Well guys, there you have it. 4 special Christmas drinks on Christmas Day.
Teasin, I noticed we both have Grinch-themed flavored drinks as our favorites.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I actually did not notice that.
Huh.
Dude,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I love the Grinch Eggnog.
Tell me why. Why do you love it so much?
I don't know what about it is. It's sweet, but it's also strong.
And
I think it's the whipped cream. It just creates
another complex tone to the drink. Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it's I love it.
You know, the sprinkles on the top adds like a little flavor, a little fun to it.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. And I'm not gonna lie, it's very tasty.
Nice.
And I see you chose the Scary Grinch.
You know, the Scary Grinch? Not that scary, actually.
Really?
It's quite approachable, actually. Yeah.
How does it taste?
You know, the melon liqueur really brings it to a whole different flavor profile. It tastes amazing. It's quite sweet, and honestly, very, very smooth. Sprinkles on around the side makes it like a sweet candy every single time I drink it.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Well, guys, that is our episode for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to smash that like button.
And if you guys want to be notified for the next videos, don't forget to subscribe.
Until next time, guys, it's 5 o'clock. We're out. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.